In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum values in Airtable. If you've ever needed a quick total for things like quantities, prices, or revenue inside your Airtable base, this walkthrough will show you the fastest way to get that number without building formulas or exports. We'll use the built-in summary bar, which is designed to do quick math at the bottom of your columns. Start by opening your Airtable base, and then the table that holds the numbers you want to add. Think of a base as your project space, and a table as a sheet where each row is a record and each column is a field. Make sure you're in a view where you can see the column clearly, such as a grid-style view. Next, locate a column that actually stores numbers. Common examples are quantity, price, or revenue. It's important that the field type is numeric, like number, currency, or percent. If the values are stored as plain text, Airtable won't be able to calculate a sum from them, and the summary options may not give you what you need. A quick hint: you can usually recognize a numeric field by the way values align and format consistently down the column. Now move your attention to the very bottom of that column. You'll see the summary bar, a slim area that runs along the bottom of the grid. This bar displays quick calculations for the column you're looking at. If another function is already showing, don't worry. You can change it in a second. Click directly on the summary area beneath the numeric column. When you do, Airtable opens a small menu of options. You'll see choices like average, min, max, and others. From this list, select sum. That tells Airtable to add up all the numeric values in that column. Right away, you'll see the total appear in the summary bar under that column. This total reflects the values currently in the column, and it updates automatically whenever your records change. If you add a new record, edit a number, or remove a row, the sum will refresh instantly, so you always have the most current total at a glance. A couple of tips as you use this: empty cells don't get counted toward the total, and the sum will display using the column's formatting, such as currency symbols or decimal places. If the number looks off, double-check that every value in the column is truly numeric and consistently formatted. And that's it. You've learned the quickest way to total a column in Airtable using the summary bar and the sum option. Thanks for watching.